If Proton VPN is genuinely built as a security-first VPN, does that come at the cost of speed and simplicity? In today's Proton VPN review, we'll explore the real benefits of this provider and the real drawbacks. The app was designed by scientists at CERN who aimed to create a privacy-focused tool that would be universally accessible. In recent years, they even started transitioning toward a nonprofit structure. Proton is equipped with some of the most secure encryption algorithms currently available, and their no-logs policy has been independently audited, proving it lives up to the company's privacy claims. So far, these are some solid security measures, but how else is Proton VPN good at enhancing your overall online security? The kill switch feature ensures that you're only connected to the internet while you're protected by the VPN. And the DNS leak protection prevents your ISP or any third parties from finding out your online browsing history. Like other industry leaders, Proton VPN uses perfect forward secrecy, a protocol feature that ensures all the information between you and your server is disposed of after each session. And to top all that off, Proton is one of the rare VPNs that is completely open source, so anyone from the public can view their code freely. Since this is a Proton VPN Honest review, I did want to mention one potential drawback I noticed with this provider. Unlike many top-performing VPNs on the market, Proton opted to not use RAM-only servers. That said, they opted for full disk encryption instead, which creates the same outcome as RAM-only servers anyway, ensuring that their data is completely inaccessible to outside parties. So overall, the company has a very strong stance on and dedication to privacy, making it a top qualifier as one of the best VPN 2026 options for privacy-conscious users. If you'd also like to add all this protection to your online activity, but at the lowest price possible, then use our discount via the QR code on screen or the link in the description. Moving on to our next category, let's compare the Proton VPN pros and cons for performance. To do this, our research team performed a series of speed tests using various servers around the globe. As you can see from the final results of our Proton VPN speed test, this app ranks as one of the fastest VPNs on the market. It even outperformed ExpressVPN and came really close to hitting the same numbers as the certified fastest provider, NordVPN. The fast speeds are facilitated by the use of the WireGuard protocol, and Proton even has a unique VPN accelerator feature, which helps to reduce latency and boost speeds further. They claim it can accelerate speeds up to 400%. I haven't really seen improvements that drastic, but yes, it does seem to help. Proton also has one of the most extensive server fleets on the market, with more than 15,000 options to choose from in over 120 countries. Plus, the servers have a function indicating the server load, so you can always opt for a less crowded choice. Taking things a step further, Proton offers optimized servers for streaming. While testing them out for myself, I found that the app handled streaming smoothly and successfully unlocked all major platforms with minimal troubleshooting. Additionally, Proton is a great tool for torrenting thanks to the P2P optimized servers and the inclusion of port forwarding, which routes the connection through its own firewall for extra downloading security. Plus, Proton VPN is one of the few VPNs that has additional measures to protect users against potential port failure. The only drawback I have in this section of our Proton VPN review is that not every country has specialized servers. That said, the most in-demand locations are available, so I wouldn't consider that to be a deal breaker. So is Proton VPN worth it? Yes, Proton is one of the fastest VPNs on the market, and thanks to its P2P optimized servers and port forwarding, it's a great choice for torrenting enthusiasts. We've established so far in our Proton VPN overview that this provider hasn't taken any shortcuts when it comes to security or speed. But how do their features fare? Looking at the Windows app, we can see that there's split tunneling, so you can customize your VPN routing, and the smart routing technology lets you access virtual servers in countries that normally aren't accessible. Tor servers are also available for a boost of anonymity. And to get an added layer of security, the secure core servers route your VPN connection through an additional server that's located in a privacy-friendly country. You can tailor the profiles feature to your preference, and the NetShield ad blocker prevents annoying pop-ups. I feel like the app gives off a techie vibe, so it's ideal for experienced users. If you're a beginner, on the other hand, then it may feel a bit confusing and complicated at first. But after installation, the app does give you a tour of the main page, so everything you need to know is explained. Regardless of this initial learning curve, it's easy to adjust to the app quickly, and Proton offers many useful features that are geared towards security-focused users. Pricing-wise, though there is a free plan, it's extremely limited. When it comes to paid plans, Proton offers one premium plan, which includes everything we already mentioned. You can choose between the durations of 1 month, 1 year, or 2 years. Just keep in mind that the longest plan has the biggest savings. You can also get 10 simultaneous connections, which is plenty to cover your whole household. Yes, the price tag on Proton's paid plans is a little steeper than the other VPNs on the market, but you can use the discount link in the description to get a subscription at the lowest price possible. So what's the final takeaway of my Proton VPN 2026 review? Well, this provider has proven that its security-first approach doesn't mean sacrificing usability or speed. While there are some minor drawbacks, its strong privacy, transparency, and performance make it one of the top VPNs in 2026. Let me know if you have Proton or plan to test it out. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.